So this video is impromptu, but I just want to make it. Today I want to show you how broom is made. Normally from palm trees. That's basically how brooms are made. So how do I get a palm tree? So in this my house recently, these wires, we had that black one, I think it's called Reclean. I want to believe that's what it is. So it was changed. And while when it was being changed, they asked me to cut down my palm tree. Although it has not to cut it down, just cut because it was going to touch this naked tension wire. It was going to touch naked tension wire. They were changing it to tension wire. So I had to remove my Reclean, which I had there at first for the change. Then I cut out some of my palm trees. Like this one is part of the ones that were cut. See, I cut them so that it doesn't touch, because they say it's quite dangerous. If rain touches it and someone stands there, it might shock the person. I don't know if that's true, but that's what the NEPA guys said. So they changed it to this tension wire. Now those palms that were cut down, wanted to throw it away and burn them, but my assistant here said let them keep them. So I didn't ask why then, but now I found out why. So Esther wants to tell us how brooms are made. So let me see. So this is what she's been doing. She has cut off the leaf part from this thing, and she has brought out this is what she has. And seriously, this looks like the brooms we buy in the market. Like, look at the head. Take. So I didn't know. Okay, no, I've heard it before that the brooms are gotten from this. This is it. Now she has removed all the leaves from this thick part of the branch, and now she's smoothing them so that we can have broom strands. Very fascinating. So bringing out each of the brooms and scraping them one after the other. So she says after doing that, it will be dried. Funny enough, I just thought about maybe we might be needing a broom in this house again, only to come home and find this being done. So I might not need to buy broom as she's going to make us some broom. Just keep in touch. I'll show you what the final product looks like. So this is the final stage of the broom. This was actually being dried after we removed the strands from the middle part of the it's actually coconut, not palm tree. We now dried them. She now dried them. Esther now dried them. And when she dried them, and we now got this rubber band and tied it together to form a whole broomstick. So this is it. This is our broom. Broom from coconut tree in my house. That coconut have not produced. It's been here for up to 4 years. This is it. So we got this from this. I think it can be gotten from palm tree also. These are the broomsticks. This one, each and every one of these is a broomstick. This is it. That's how to make your local broom. How to make your local broom.